Hello everybody, welcome to another latest update about IQ coin price prediction guys. First of all guys, I recommend to all of you to join my free Telegram group. Link is available in video description. If you want to make money from crypto trading guys, if you want to get a free signal, so must join my Telegram group. Link is available in video description guys. IQ coin guys, 114% price increase in last 24 hours. 0.020 is the current market price of IQ coin guys. As you can see here, the currently highest price is 0.024 and market price is 0.021 guys. So what should we do in right now situation? Is there more possibilities for IQ coin that it will continue this pump or not guys? So according to my own view guys, yes, absolutely there is 70 to 60% possibilities for IQ coin that it will pump more gas, because below the volume start increasing guys, the volume is still increasing guys, and still currently it's the best time for buying IQ coin guys. If you want to buy, best time for buying guys. Thanks for watching guys. For more latest update about IQ coin, join Telegram group. Link is available in video description.